important things. We just said we skip important things. Some percentage of those things come back to bite us. In fact, because the fixes, tests, and documentation are done separately, out of band with everything else, they actually can take longer to do. So doing more in less time is something I want to at least mention. How long does it take to do the dishes by hand at your house? Anybody? One number. Nobody has any idea anymore how to wash the dishes by hand.
How many dishes?
We don't have a dishwasher. 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
I wrote down 10 minutes because I think it's a good number. When I gave this talk before, somebody said 60 minutes. Like, you don't wash the dishes by hand too. It takes her 60 minutes. So let's say that it takes 10 minutes. We'll call that a room average. Could you go faster than 10 minutes? I think if you knew that 10 minutes was the industry average for washing the dishes, you could probably agree to 9, maybe 8. You could go fast, right? You wouldn't have to skip any important part to occasionally achieve velocities that got the dishes done in 8 minutes. 5 minutes could be a problem, right?
No, you're also assuming we do dishes every day.
Well, if you have 10 minutes of dishes to do, and you only have 5 minutes to do it in, how are you going to get that done? What are you going to skip? You could skip drying them, actually getting them clean. If you're going to try to get past, like we need to get the sink clean in 5, it's a different kind of problem, isn't it? You could break the dishes and throw them out, but if you're going to do that, you might as well just skip breaking them, because that would be more efficient, right? Compressing the schedule 10 to 20% is absolutely possible. Some managers set up tight schedules kind of as a challenge, and there's absolutely developers that will spend too long on something if there isn't schedule pressure. They'll document forever, they'll write tests forever, and that's debatable how harmful that is. But there are some developers who don't come to work unless there's a deadline bearing down on them.